Hello, I'm an avatar. My name is Jonathan, and I have been designed and created by the Supply Chain Academy to present our unique educational supply chain management work-based learning offering. There is no other learning institution like the Supply Chain Academy in the world, and our customer list, our qualifications, and our pass rates are of the highest standard and testament to the great work we do. Our goal is to pass on supply chain management knowledge to professional people so they can excel in their careers. Every business has a supply chain, starting from the design of a product or service through to consumption, reuse, or recycling of those products and services. Supply chain management is one of the most fundamental and important parts of a business, and the better the supply chain, the better the business. Skills in supply chain management are essential, and the more knowledge and expertise an individual has, the more valuable they are to an employer, and more likely they are to succeed in their career. So, supply chain management education is an excellent way to develop your employees and give them the opportunity to accelerate their careers. Through the Supply Chain Academy, your employees will significantly enhance their supply chain management knowledge and skills needed to operate effective and efficient supply chains. Our British qualifications have been created by business, for business, based on decades of real experience in best practices in global trade across virtually every industry. From this real-life experience, we have developed 21st century supply chain management learning and development across Level 3 diplomas, Level 6 degrees, and a Level 7 master's degree. These are the best qualifications in the world, and they will increase knowledge, effectiveness, and value. All our qualifications are work-based, which means you learn whilst you work, with courses geared to the job. This means learning is quicker and easier, as the content is all relevant and can be applied from the very beginning to their actual job, delivering value straight away. So what does it cost and how do you sign up? It won't cost you anything. Your employer will pay, and it won't cost them much, if anything, as all our qualifications are accredited for funding by the UK government as long as you are employed by a company in England. If you are not employed by a UK company, then we offer a number of ways your employer can pay for the courses, all of which are great value and will give your employer a return on their investment by improving your knowledge and skills, creating efficiencies and savings. You may think, why would an employer pay or encourage their people to take these qualifications? Well, the answer is simple. They want to attract good people to their business. They want to retain and develop their people to achieve more. They want to increase skills and effectiveness to provide a career pathway of management succession. They want to get the best return on their investment of employment. If they are a UK company, they pay little if no costs for your qualifications. So why would your employees consider a supply chain management qualification? These qualifications are the best in the world. Our qualifications prove excellent business skills for whatever industry your business operates in. Knowledge is value, and our qualifications deliver the best knowledge and management skills across the entire supply chain. Our qualifications will accelerate careers and make your employees more valuable. Learning can be enjoyable, especially when everyone can see the benefits and the value that is being created in the job. The value being created by the employees learning will increase their worth and financial returns. There are so many reasons why it makes perfect sense to learn from the Supply Chain Academy about business and supply chain management. But these are just a few key points. Firstly, you earn whilst you learn, no debts or costs. Professional recognition with best-in-class qualifications. Education is knowledge. Knowledge is power. Power is respect. Respect is success. Leadership skills are developed through learning. The Supply Chain Academy accelerates your learning through technology, real business experience, modern course material tailored to the current work environments, and our full commitment to delivering a successful career pathway. So, what's the catch? There is no catch. It really is a must-do for an employee who wants to progress their career and an employer who wants to improve their business. Learners will have to dedicate their own time to the courses and commit between 12 to 36 months to complete the qualification, depending on what level they are taking. The employer will have to allow some time for the learner to study and have face-to-face meetings with tutors, but that is about 10 days per year, again depending on what qualifications they are doing. Hopefully, I've explained enough to demonstrate learning through the Supply Chain Academy is a win for everyone. We thank you for listening, and we would be delighted to introduce you to our senior management team, who I can assure you are all real people and will happily discuss and advise in detail a proposal that will meet your employee training aspirations and requirements. Thank you for your time.